Hello everyone, it's me Sato again from Low Level Cosplay, and today we are back with a new cosplay tutorial, and in this one I'm gonna show you how you can make the base outfit for the character Kamilla from the game Pokemon. And the jacket and headphones will be made in a separate video because I need some content and I don't have so much at the moment. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and without further ado, let's do it. So here are the front and back pattern for the top itself. And this is the pattern that I made for the shorts. The bigger side is the back side. We start with the shorts, and I already cut out the main piece from a blue stretch fabric. And now I will sew this yellow curved piece on top of it with a top stitch. This is how it looks so far. The bottom side was folded and sewn in place so that I don't have to change the yarn later. After this is done, the leg piece gets sewn together in the middle. This step gets repeated once more for the other side, and then they will be sewn together on the inside. Every edge gets a top stitch, and with this the shorts are done. Now we begin working on the top, and for this we use again the blue fabric as a blank canvas. Then we use a top stitch to attach the yellow part on top of this back side. In the next step we work on the front, and for this another yellow piece gets sewn on with a top stitch in the middle. Now that the front and back are mostly done, we sew them together on the shoulders and the sides. The bottom gets folded and sewn in place, and the same steps will be repeated for the armholes and the neckline as well. But the neckline needs to be cut a bit in the middle front to get it a bit lower. And this is how it looks so far. Now I work on the front strip. I will make later on a new one because the customer wanted it to be from the top to the bottom. For the back side, an even longer strip gets sewn on with a top stitch. I left it a bit longer so that I can trim it to the right length later on. This is how it looks so far, and I also added a buckle on each end of the strip. And now I remove the front strip. It was accurate to the character, but as mentioned, the customer wanted the strip for the full length of the front. So now I'm gonna attach the new front strip with a top stitch. With this, the sewing part is done. Time to move on to the big buckle. This is a pattern that I made for it, and this gets then traced onto some PVC with and without the hole in the middle. I could have 3D printed this, but not everyone does have one, and I wanted to make it the old-fashioned way. Here I file the small lines in to give it a bit more detail. And now I'm gonna glue these two parts together, and for this I use just normal cheap super glue. To make it thicker and hide the snap buckle under it, I glue some 1 cm thick strips to the side of it and cut the extra off. All the edges get then sanded and filled with some filler putty. After repeating this step a few times, a final layer of spray filler gets added and is now ready for painting. For paint I use a Tamiya gloss black and a chrome silver followed by a clear coat. It is now time to attach the buckle, and for this I use some 5-minute epoxy just like in the Goblin Slayer video. And it's now time for the final review. So this was a tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion, and if you want you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, what I can improve on this channel, what you want to see in a future video. It's up to you, and as usual don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. This helps me a lot, keeps this channel growing and the videos coming, and we are so close to the 400 subscribers. Yeah, and the 500 will be a special, yeah, kind of whatever. And maybe give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and until then, see you next time in the new video. Have a great day, and I'm out.